Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum guys. Please accept my greetings. I am Imamur. I am a learner and a web developer. So we are completing a e-commerce website built by Next.js. So we are we are understanding now what is a Next.js project or how to build a e-commerce website by Next.js. So in the previous class we have tried to know how to complete a footer or how to create a footer in a e-commerce website. So today I may not be able to finish the entire video. Today I may not be able to explain the code, but I will try my best to code. Today's explanation class may be 1.5 hours. So our today's class will be so long. I think 1 hour and a 1.5 hours. So in today's class we are we are going to create a about us page in a e-commerce website. In the previous class we have created a footer in the e-commerce website, in our e-commerce website. So what is about us page in a e-commerce website? Simply, if you give your introduction to someone like my name is Robert, my name is William, my name is Smith, I have completed my bachelor from this college, or my age is 23, I am a good boy, I am so good in cricket, I am so good in sports, I am so good in football. So this is the introduction in a e-commerce in a about us page. So in every e-commerce website we have a about us page. This means the introduction of our website. So if we go to the folder, we are going to create the about us page. So if we go to the photo, we can see that our about us page will be look like this. So wish list icon, home menu, about us menu, blog menu, shop menu, portfolio menu, contact menu. Contact menu. So we have already finished the landing page, I mean our home page in our e-commerce website. So in this website, in this class we are going to finish the about us page. We also have finished the login button and the shopping cart page. After clicking on the about us page, about us menu, we will link up or link wrap the about us page. So if we go to the next page, this is our second part of our about us page. And if we go to the next page, this is our third part of our about us page. If we go to the next page, we can see our meet our team section. We also build this this section in this video, and in at last we will connect the footer to our about us page in our e-commerce website. So today's class will be more than 1 hour, I think 1.5 hours. So be patient and I will try to explain the code, but I don't think after finishing the code we will the video will be end because it will be so long. So I will try my best. So first of all we will type the code or we will write the code and understand the code, and after that we will see the output, right guys? So we will go slowly. In the next video I will try to explain the code, right guys? So as we know, our project name or our folder name is e-commerce site, our Next.js project. So we will simply go to the search bar and we will type e-commerce site. So as we can see, our e-commerce site folder is open. After clicking on the open, we will simply go to the VS Code or Visual Studio Code. After entering our Visual Studio Code, you can see our project is ready. So in the previous video, you can see we have made the footer.tsx. This is our previous video code. You can see everything is fine and our footer.tsx or our footer is ready. So simply we will create the about us page in our today's class. So simply we will go to our folder. This is so important part, and we will go to the app folder, and you can see our blog menu, our blog, our cart page or our contact page or our shop page. We have built it, but I will create it, I will recreate it in the next video or in the upcoming videos, in the upcoming lessons. So first, our today's target is create a about us page. So simply we will create a folder. Name of the folder will be about. Just simply we will click enter, and after going to the page, we will simply create a page name page.tsx, page.tsx. Okay guys, so I have also made a PDF file for you. You can see that first of all we have to understand some topics or understand some mathematical things, some theoretical things, no mathematical things by mistake. So if we go there and zoom it, so you can see about us page. There will be a header, the header will be same, the footer will be same as home page, and in the main section we are going to create the hero section, the our story section, the statistics section, why you have chosen us, and our team. So if we go to the photo, this is the footer, this is our meet our team, this is our why choose us, and this is our story, and this is our header of the about us page. So as we can see, if we go to the VS Code and if we go to the app folder, and in the about folder we created, after clicking at there we can see page.tsx.txt mean text. So we are going to rename it to page.tsx. We are just going to cut the .txt, the extra function. After clicking that, a whole blank page has created for us. So first of all, we are going to attach the header and footer to the Next.js project in this file page.tsx, which we are creating the about page. Right, guys? I hope you can hear me. So first of all, we are going to type the code. So simply, first of all we have to import the header. So how to import the header? Import. Today's class is so important because we also see that after clicking on the about us menu, we are going to go to a new page, which is our about us page. So import header from @/components slash header, header, header. Okay, so we have finished. Now we have to import the footer. footer, footer is equal to @/components slash our file name footer. That's it. We have to end it. So components footer. Any mistakes here? Components footer. Nothing is mistaken. Footer footer.tsx footer. Okay, we will fix it later. So after that, the Next.js image link. Without it, we can see our images. So import image, I will be upper cases, image from next/image. Right, guys? So our image link up is also finished. So after that, the export functionality we have to continue. Export default function, and our page name about us, about page, second bracket not first bracket first, then second bracket, and we have to use the return functionality of in a React project. Return functionality, then second bracket. So we have to start the code. Okay, so we have to also end the code or finish the code at here. Okay, header and After that, we have to take a main tag. So main tag, class name. Now we have to style it. We have to give a style to it. Background. In the background we are going to give a color name here. The color will be F8, F6 and F5. Okay, that's it. After that, minimum height, screen. Okay, finished. So after main tag we are going to continue with the hero section. So second bracket slash star hero star slash, that's it. So after that we are going to take a section class. I hope you can hear me, guys. If you have any complaint to my video, feel free to comment. No issue, guys, no hassle. We are going to give a background, we are going to give a height here. The height will be 400 pixel. Okay, after that we have to, the background will be covered and the background will be center. Flex item center, justify content will be center. Okay, so after that the style functionality, style. So there is a twist. After it I have to give a equal and double second bracket. So now we have to attach the background image. So after that, guys, we have to give a URL to it. I think we have to fix the error because the screen is all red color. So the image, so where is our image? Our images in the public folder, images folder, slash images, and I am going to write it some. So I think there are some issue. So guys, I am going to explain it why the error has come. First of all, we have input the header, we have finished the header, we have end the header, we have take a section here, we have close the section here, we have take a main tag here, and we have closed the main tag here. Main tag. Just the footer we have to close it. So just simply we have to close it. Okay. So guys, after that the background image link up, the section is end. So we have to take a div now. First of all, in the hero section we are doing it. After that we have to take a div now. Hero section name, flags, item center, justify content center. After the background image we have to take a div now and giving a class name. So in the div we have to give a style to it. Background color will be white. Background color will be white. 80 pixel, it will be fine. 80 pixel is our height, and px is equal to 12. After that, padding will be 8. Text will be center. So text will be center. That's it. So we have finished the div right here, and now it is time to take a h1 tag. h1 class. h1 tag and class name. Okay, h1 tag and class name, text. Okay, text will be 5XL. So what is tracking? We also know that tracking, TRACKING. So what do you mean by tracking? 6 pixel. I will repeat it. In the letter space between, in a line, each words we can give a space, which means tracking. So what will be our h1 tag? About us. If we go to the photos, you can see a about us. About us. This is our H1 tag. So after that, what we have to do? We have to take a paragraph tag: luxury skincare inspired by nature. If I zoom out, you can see luxury skincare inspired by nature. So we have to take a paragraph tag simply. And after that, we will give also a style to it. Class name text. Text will be 5XL. No, text will be gray. Sorry guys. Text will be gray. 500 and empty is equal to 4. Okay. We have finished. Just normally a spelling mistake. Class name. Okay. The paragraph will be luxury skincare inspired by nature. Right guys, the paragraph tag is finished, the div is finished, the section is finished at here. So right now we are going to start our story section in under the main tab. So our story, this is turn to our story. Second bracket slash star slash, in the between there will be our story. Right guys, our story. Okay, so this is so simple. First of all, we are going to take a section and the class name. The Tailwind CSS, we have to give a nice style to it. Maximum width will be 7XL. MX auto means margin auto, and after that PX will be 6 and padding will be 24. Okay guys, that's it. 17 minutes already gone. We have to finish early. Okay guys, now we have to take a div. Class name. So we are going to give a style starting with a grid, CSS grid. We have to divide it in the large screen grid by columns. Okay, grid columns divided by 2 and give a 16 pixel gap. Items will be center. Items will be okay. Right guys, items will be center. So our div is also finished. Now we have to take another div for the images. Just div, no class name, that's it, finished. Now it is time to take the image tag with image source tag. Image source is equal to image slash sum dot png. We are going to attach the images later. So now it is time to the alternative text, or the alt is nothing, or you can give about as you wish. This is a memory text for us about, and now we are going to give a fixed width to it. Fixed width will be 700 pixel and the height will be 500 pixel will be fine. Now we are going to give a beautiful style to it. Class NAME. The typing mistake again. Okay. Class name. Oh no. We have mistake here. Some mistake here. Equal is missing. Okay. The error is gone. So class name will be rounded. We are going to round it. Rounded in the large screen. So LG. And object will be cover. Okay, that's it. So finished. The div is end. Okay. The div is end here. Now it is time to take another div for the h2 tag. I hope you can hear me guys, right? So h2 tag and give a class name, and we are going to give a style to it. Guys, let's carry on. Text file excel and MB is equal to 8. Okay. Everything is fine. MB is equal to 8. And our H2 will be our story. So where is the our story? If we go to the photo, you can see our story here. Our story. So the heading is perfect. After that, we are going to finish the paragraph. We believe beauty begins with healthy skin. Our mission to create natural cosmetics products that make every person feel confident and beautiful. After that, we have to create the discover more button. So H2 is finished. Now it is time to take a paragraph tag and give a beautiful style to it. So first of all, okay. So paragraph tag class name. Okay. First of all, we have to make the text will be gray color and will be 600 pixel and leading. We are going to attach it to leading 8. MB is equal to 6. MB 6. That's it. Our paragraph is finished. So our paragraph will be something. We will paste it later from the source code. We don't have so much time because half an hour already gone. We also have to understand it. So after finishing the paragraph tag, we also have to take another paragraph tag and give a beautiful class name here. This P will be lower cases. Class name is equal to, we are going to give it everything is same. Text will be gray 600. MB 6 leading 8 MB is equal to 6. MB is equal to 8, not 6. Okay. So our paragraph styling is finished. The Tailwind CSS, we also going to write it something. After that, we are going to create the discover button. So what we have to do to create a discover button or create a button? First of all, we have to take a button tag class name. After that, we are going to give a beautiful style to it, border. After that, the border color, we take a border. What is the border color? Border color will be black and px is equal to 8. Padding will be 4. Hover will be background color and black will be the hover. The text color will be white. The hover color, I am talking about the hover color. At last, we are going to give a transition to here. So what will be our button? Discover more. DISCOVER and MORE. Discover more will be our button name. You can know you can get many details at here. So our story function is finished. If we go to the next page, the statistic functionality at here, but I am not going to add a animation at here. The animation will be add in the next project. First of all, we have to make the simple statistic here. So we are going to give the we are going to take the finish the section, close it, close it, close it, close, close, close. So now it is time to start the statistic functions. Let's start statistic stats. So statistic, statistics, statistics. Okay. Okay. So what is the statistics one? First of all, we have to take a section class name. Now this is time to give a style here. What will be the style? Background color will be white. If we go to the photo, so you can see the background color is already white. White, gray color. White, gray color. So background color will be white. Padding will be 24. Okay, that's it. Finished. Right, guys. So now we have to take a date here. Okay. Maximum width. First of all, we are going to set the maximum width. Maximum width, again, this will be 7XL. MX auto means margin auto. And PX is equal to 6. That's it. We have finished the div. So after that, we have to take another div for grid system. Okay, the styling part. Okay, so we are going to give a functionality with grid. In medium screen there will be a grid divided into 4 columns. Columns will be 4, and we are going to give a gap will be 10. Text will be center. Okay. So after that we have to take another div and just finish the div with this, and we have to take a h3 tag, lower cases, upper cases the n only. Okay. So the text 5XL MB4. Okay, that's it. The styling is finished. Simply we are going to type here 10. If we go to the photo, 10 plus years experience, 5,000 plus happy customers, 100 plus premium products, 24/7 customer support. So just we are going to build it again and again. So just simply a paragraph tag for this years experience. If I zoom out, years experience. So go to the Visual Studio Code, class name, give a beautiful style here. Just simply text will be gray, nothing else. 500 pixel. Okay. Finish. So years experience. YEARS X A R S. Years experience. So the first div is finished right here. We have to close it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have to close it. The div is finished. Now we are going to make. Now we are going to create another div. Okay. Take another div. Again h3 class name. Just simply we are going to give a style. Text will be gray, 500 pixel as before. Same. Okay, so what is the h3? 5,000 plus. Okay, 5,000 plus. Okay. Now the paragraph tag, just copy it. Text will be gray, 5,000. I have made a simple mistake here. The h3 will be text 5XL. Text, cut it 5XL, and it will be MB4. Simple typing mistake. MB4 500 will be cut. Okay. Now we are done. MB4 text gray 5,000 pixel, years of experiment. Instead of it, we are going to write happy customers. Just cut it. happy customers, right? Happy customers. Okay. So also the another div is finished. Now we have to take another div finished. The closing is automatically created. Now about it, the premium products. Okay, just simply copy it. The style is same, so I am not going to write it multiple time. 5,000. If we go to the photos, 100 plus premium products. 100 plus premium products. So not 5,100. And here this will be premium products. Okay, premium products. Just simply copy it again. No. The whole div we have to copy it. The last div. Okay. At here, if I go to the photo and zoom out 24/7 customer support. Just cut the 100, 24/7 customer support. Half of our 30 minutes already gone. Okay. So our a big section is finished, but we have so many work today. Our section is finished at here. So now it is time to create the why choosers section. We are not going to waste too many times in this video because we have many things to do. The code is so long. So we have finished it. No error at here. You can see no error. Everything is correct, right guys? So after the section, we are going to take a second bracket slash star star slash why choose us. Why choose us? Okay, why choose us? CHOOS. Why choose us? Right, guys? Section. Okay, section. Okay. So after taking a section, we are going to take a class name, maximum width. We are going to fix the maximum width will be 7XL. MX is equal to auto. PX is equal to 6. And parent will be 24. After finishing the style, we are going to take a div. So div class name text will be center and is equal to 20. Okay. So our div is also finished. Now we have to take a h2 tag. We have to take a h2 tag. Okay. Text Excel MB6. Okay. That's it. So what is our h2 tag? If we go to the photos, why choose us? This is our h2 or our title. Why choose us? Okay, the h2 is also finished. Now it is time to take a paragraph tag. T last name. Nothing is wrong. Okay. Now text will be gray and 500 pixel. Nothing else. So the finish of the style, what is our paragraph? Premium quality products design for your beauty. The paragraph tag is closed here. So the div is also finished. Now we have to take another div. Class name, just backspace. So what is it? What will be our style? Okay. So the background color. First of all, we are going to give a background color will be white. Okay, white will be P. Text center. Text will be center. Shadow. This is a new CSS function we have no today. Shadow small. The text side will be small or will be rounded in the large screen. So LG. Okay, finished. So after that we have to take a H3 tag. Why? You can see there are natural ingredients, cruelty free, premium quality. We have to create these things. So first of all, H3 class name text. Okay, text will be 3XL and be 4. Okay, the text is finished. So first of all, we have natural integrating. So natural integrating, INGRETIENTS, natural integrating. We will go slowly. So the paragraph tag CLASS class name, text will be gray and 500 pixel, nothing else. Text will be gray, 500 pixel, say that's it. So I am going to write here some or thing, something. We will write it later. So that's it. Our div is finished. First of all, we have take a div. Name, background color white, P10, text center, shadow SM, rounded will in the large screen it will be rounded. Take a H3 tag and take a paragraph tag. Just simply we are going to copy it and paste it at here because the style will be same. Just at here in the natural ingredients we are going to write cruelty free. CRUELTYFR and there will be something and just copy it for the last time and paste it at the bottom. So we can see premium quality. So at here we are going to write 38 minutes have finished. Premium quality. Okay guys, something will be something again. So our section is, this is the time we have to finish our section. So after that slash we have to finish another div. So our whole section is finished. Now we are going to the our team section. Meet our team section. We also have photos at here. So first of all we are going to comment it /star our team or give a team starfish. So that's it what we have to do now. First of all we are going to make a section here, class name, background color will be white. You can see if we go to the photos, the background color is white. The background color is fully white. Okay guys, background will be white and PY24. That's it. The section style is finished. So we have closed the section. That's here. And so what to do now? Take another div, class name. Okay. So maximum width. First of all, we have to fix the maximum width 7XL. mx auto, okay, and px is equal to 6. So the div is also finished. Now we have to take another div. We have to take another div. Div plus name is equal to text will be center. If I go to the photo, you can see our text is in the center. Meet our team center, passion people behind our beauty products. The paragraph is also in the center. So text will be center. Just we are going to simply M20 here and B is equal to 2. So the styling is finished. Now we are going to take a H2 tag. H2 tag. Okay. Text. Okay. The big text 5XL MB 6. That's it. The styling is finished at here. Meet our team. So where I find meet our team at here, if I go to the photo, meet our team, and this is passionate people behind our beauty product. So at here we are going to take a paragraph tag. Class name, okay, class name is equal to will be divided it, text will be gray, text will be gray, 500 pixel is fine. Okay, something. After that we are going to paste it from the source code. You can see that there are the paragraph tag is passionate people behind our video. So I'm not going to write it multiple times because our time will be wasted. So something is something. So the div is finished at here. After that we have to take another div. We are going to take another div. Now we are going to give a beautiful style by style name. Okay. Grid, CSS grid, we are going to use the CSS grid. Medium screen, the grid will be divided by 3 columns. Why 3 columns? If you go to the photos, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. If I zoom out, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. We are going to create now these 3 divs. So divided into 3 columns and gap will be 10 pixel for each divs. So there will be, okay, that's it. So after that, what we have to do, we have to take another div for the image section. We have to take another div. Oh, 43 minutes gone. Class name. So what will be the class name? Text will be center. That's it. Okay, text will be center. That is finished. Now we are going to take the image tag. Okay, image src is equal to public folder. Image slash sum dot page. We are going to attach it later. The alternative text will be nothing. Okay, the alternative text will do nothing. The width will be, we are going to give a fixed width to the images. Width will be width, width will be second bracket 350 pixel, and the height height 400 pixel. Okay, that's it. Now we have to give a style to them by take a class name. That's it. The style will be rounded in the large screen and margin will be auto. Okay, margin will be auto. I hope you can hear me, guys. Now it is time to take a H3 tag. Now another h3 tag class name. Okay, text will be 2 pixel or 2 no sorry 2 xl not 2 pixel and is equal to 6. Okay, so what will be our h3? If I go to the photo, Emma Wilson. Emma Wilson is our h3. I means the customer name Emma Wilson. Okay, Emma Wilson is the h3, and now we are going to take a paragraph. Simply paragraph class name. We are not going to write it multiple times. Just we will simply copy it and paste it. Text. Okay. To Excel. Text will be great. Sorry, not to Excel. 500 pixel will be fine. The paragraph is finished. Founder. If I go to the photo, you can see founder. Okay, just simply I will copy it and paste it. Okay. So what we have done, image tag Emma Wilson founder. The image tag Emma Wilson and founder. So we are not going to write it multiple times. So we are going to create 3 divs divided into columns 3 by CSS grid. Just simply from div plus text center, copy it. Just create it in the 2 times. So 1 div has finished, 2 divs, 3 divs. That's it. 1 div, 2 divs. That is Sophie Brown. Just simply we are going to Emma Wilson, Sophie Brown. BROWN, Sophie Brown, and founder means the CEO or the owner of the business. Skin specialist is our doctor's name. We have a skin specialist here. SPECIALITIST. Skin specialist here, and in the ABC. So again, Olivia Smith is our beauty expert. This is our special products, Olivia Smith. Just simply we are going here, and we are going to type Olivia Smith and beauty expert. Just in the paragraph tag we are going to write beauty expert. Okay, so now we have finished our, just at last we are going to attach the footer at here. I mean our down part, our bottom part. What is our footer? If we go to the next part, this is our footer. We have made it in the previous video. So that's it. We are going to close the main tag, close the section, close the div, Okay, so beauty expert, div will be 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, section will be section, main tag will be main tag. At last, just in the after the main tag we have to we have to close the footer tag. Okay, footer. Okay, right guys, that's it. Our page is ready. You can see the whole page is ready. 49 minutes gone. Just I will take 5 minutes to explain the code. Okay guys, so simply we are going to the PDF file. Okay, now what we have made today. So you can see complete explanation of about us page. So the file creates the about us page for your Next.js e-commerce cosmetics website. So why we import header, footer, and the next/images at here. This imports the header components. Instead of writing the navigation bar on every pages, we created once inside the components folder. So now we can reuse it. Imagine home, about menu, shop menu, contact menu. So every page can simply do header slash I finished it instead of copying 100 lines of codes in the navbar codes. This is called components reusability, which is one of React's biggest advantages in a React.js project. And exactly the same idea for the footer also we can, by using this component, import the component. We don't have to write the codes multiple times. So next slash images, this is not the HTML image tag, this is the optimized image component instead of using image source tag in the HTML. So why using it? Because Next.js is automatically optimizes the images, improves the SEO, prevents layout shifts. It is much faster than normal images. Function components, why we export here, this creates the image pages. Think of it is a machine input React component HTML output. So it is convert the HTML tag to React components. Everything inside in the return function is rendered on the browser. Fragment, this is called a React fragment. I mean this, I am talking about this. React components can only returns one parent animal instead of div. So I have made a beautiful PDF for you so you can understand the code. A fragment does not create any extra HTML code. We can use it multiple times. After finishing the header tag, the header components appears first, so the page first with navbar. Okay, in the main tag we have some CSS style. Main tag represent the main content of the web page, good for SEO. The background color will be this, and the minimum height screen will be equals the entire screen. Even if there is very little component, the page still files the whole viewport. Hero section is section groups related content. This section is the page banner. Height will be 400 pixels and background image will be attached by the URL. Okay. So white box, we take a deep background color white 80 pixel and PO is equal to 8. White background with 80% opacity, so you can still slightly see the image behind it. So behind it means if you go to the photo and if you go to the previous photo, you can see the photos behind the about us section. In the about us section, about us behind the bottle images. So after that, why we give padding here, horizontally padding and vertical padding for PY8, PX8 is equal to horizontally padding, PY8 is equal to vertical padding. Padding means giving a space from top or bottom. Heading is equal to about us, finish largest heading. So this is why we use H1 tag. I am not going to repeat it, and now we have to understand the grid system. So grid LG grid cos 2 means what? Large screen is equal to image and the right side will be text. But in the mobile version, the image will be in the top and the text will be bottom, not left, right. So where it is the responsive, for the responsive we use grid. Gap means create a spacing here. So there is nothing hard topic here. We take a discover button, Tailwind CSS, border color will be black, hover is equal to black color for the border, and the text hover will be white color. Hover, text white. Text become white. Transition means animation becomes smooth. Statistics section, if we go to the statistics section, we also use grid here in the medium, means desktop version. This will be from left to right, 4 columns. In the mobile version, it will be 4 columns top to bottom. Each card contains heading, paragraph, example, happy customers, and why in the why chooser section, first heading, then the subtitle and the 3 cards. First heading and then the subtitle and the deep 3 cards. 1, 2, 3. This is the meaning of this. And in the team section, first of all, we have give the title here, after that the subtitle, and the 3 team members. Meet our team, the title. Passionate people behind our beauty products is the subtitle, the 3 team members. At last, we have given attach the footer here. Footer after main tag. Why we use footer after main tag? Why not before it? Because so every pages ends with the same footer. That's it. So simply guys, at last we are going to see the output at here. So simply we will go to the terminal, new terminal, and just simply we will type the code npm run def enter. After enter, we can see a link has opened for us, localhost 3001. Just simply type control and click it. So we can see our e-commerce website is ready for today. That's it. We can see the output at here. After going to Chrome browser, simply we will type localhost 3000 at here. We can type localhost 3000 at here. So we can see our e-commerce website is ready for today. We can see our whole landing page is ready. We made this footer at the previous class. Okay, so we have made about us page today. After clicking on the about us page, we can see our about us page is ready. Our about us title, our story, and the hover is also working so beautifully. The why choosers section, then our meet our team, and our footer. So if we repeat our class today, we have to create a folder in the about us page. First of all, we have go to our project, and we have to go to the app folder, and then create a about folder, then create a page.tsx file, and in the page.tsx file we can see all our codes. So first of all, import header, import footer, the images we have to connect it with the home page, export the default functionality, and our hero section, our story section, our statistics section, our why choosers section, and then our team member section, and at last the footer. If we go to the Chrome browser, you can see our page is ready. So after clicking on the home page, we can see our home page is also working perfectly. The slider is also working perfectly. The login button is so okay. And after clicking on the about page, we can see our about page is ready for tonight. So that's it guys. Be connected with Imam Step and with my Facebook page. Our about page is ready. In the next class, I will try to create the blog page. So I am already told that I am creating a beautiful PDF file for you, so you can understand the code so simply. I am also a learner, so be free with me. Don't need to hassle. Be free with me. I am trying to teach the code, but I am also a learner. So be happy guys. I am Imamur. My name is Imamur. I am a learner and a web developer. So in this video I have made the about us page. So be happy guys. Assalamu alaikum guys. Bye.